What is going on, everybody? I hope you're all well. I know it's been a long time since I last done a video, but I've been occupied trying to be a dad recently over the last few months, so I gave the YouTube thing a bit of a pause, but I'm back now, and today we're actually going to be back with something that is really special, and that is a shoe I've been waiting years for to re-release, and that is the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. So let's get straight into the video. Now, when it comes to the materials of the shoe, the leather on it is really nice, even though I thought it was going to be a bit trash because of the cracked leather on the white bit, but it even is soft to the touch there. On the red panels, it's really soft as well, and just has this sort of like premium material to it. And even on the heel bit here, on the back heel, it's actually really nice as well. I thought that was going to be a bit more rough than in the pictures, because the pictures made it look like it was going to be a bit scratchy and, you know, just a bit not nice to touch. But just everything overall about the materials is really good, man. Like, I can't explain how good this is in hand. The shoe comes with two pairs of laces. It comes with the white and the black. I think I'm gonna go with the black laces when it comes to these, because the white laces, as good as they look, it just doesn't give me that OG Chicago feeling, and I really just want to stay original to the shoe. They've done the box really well. They've got the receipt, they've got the paper, like everything just looks really old school about the shoe. They've gone back in time. They've sort of mixed it up with sort of new materials and everything, and they've done a really good job when it comes to materials. The colorways are fire, obviously, because it's Chicago. First shoe that Jordan come out with. Well, second shoe actually, but yeah, overall 10 out of 10 when it comes to materials. Now, when it comes to the fit, these fit like any other Jordan 1s that you've got in the collection. I'd say it fits a bit tight around here though. In this bit I found, I don't know what it is, I don't know if it's my foot or not, but every other Jordan fits fine. This one's a tiny bit tighter, but I'd say if you want to go for a proper fit and make sure it fits right, go true to size. You can probably get away with a half size up if you've got wider feet. But yeah, generally speaking, they're a comfortable shoe, and yeah, they just look really good on feet. Definitely try and go true to size when it comes to the shoe. When it comes to the price, I paid £165, I think it was, from Offspring. I won the in-store raffle. I went and picked them up from Selfridges in central London, and yeah, it was just a really good experience. They had all the like old school props and everything when I went to go collect it. It was a nice display. Price wise, I don't really care what this price was on this for retail. It could be 180, could be 190. I mean, everyone probably thinks, oh, it's not like the OG or whatever, but if I'm being honest with you, love it. Absolutely love the shoe. The price is great. The design of it, everything is just fire about this shoe. So yeah, I'm not complaining about anything when it comes to it. So guys, I've gone over the materials, I've gone over how the shoe fits, and I've gone over the price of the shoe. I'm gonna throw these on feet for you and hopefully enjoy the rest of the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.